Right there. I thought the power went out for a second. I swear that's... I can promise you that is not a... I can promise you that is not a break or scream if you can see that little white thing. I mean, if you're blind, you can't see that. Sorry if those white things are blocking it. It's too much rain. Hopefully I survive this. Look at this freaking hill. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Holy freaking god. Holy. This is freaking crazy. Oh my god. Holy in your sweet. Please protect us in the name of, you know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Look at this freaking hill. Holy freak. If this window breaks, it's over. Please calm down. Please calm down. Please calm down. Freaking please calm down. Please calm down. Please. Okay, starting the weekend. I can ride this. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Holy freaking god. Lord God. What the? Oh my god. Please, please, please. Look at this freaking hill. What the? In the name of what? I can barely see in the water tower right there. Oh my god. Hopefully those workers are okay. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Thunderstorms. Oh my freaking god. Thank God I have this quality. What? Look at this hail flying over the, like, what the? Like, look at this freaking hail. I got scared for a second. Look at all this look at this hail spinning like a whirlpool. What the? Look at this freaking hail. Oh my god. Hopefully those people are okay. Holy. I just checked the weather and this is what I get. I should be getting a tornado warning right now. Please help them. Please. Please. It's on my eyes, it's very cloudy on my side. If you didn't know. Oh my god. Holy. Look at that roar of that. Look at that. Look at the roar in that. I'm in a this could be a whole hurricane or something else. Holy shoot. Holy, this could be a hurricane or no. I spelled it wrong. I'm not scared of this. Yeah, scared earlier. This is crazy as heck. This is definitely not snow. This is hail. Upgrade your laptop instantly without paying for a new one with SanDisk Extreme Fit Drive. Holy, please save me. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that flood. Oh my god. In my view, it's cloudy. How am I not gonna? This is crazy. This is all normal until. Oh my god. I'm west of this forming thunderstorm. It's windy too. As you can see those dead leaves, or those just birds.
The wedge tornado would slam into the river plantation
Is that
at 7:26 p.m.
like I'm west of this beautiful thunderstorm right here.
Would be nearly flattened to the ground. The tornado would not just stop near the first half of the neighborhood as a line of homes.
Look at that wall cloud.
As well.
Look at that wall cloud right there. Oh my! Look at that wall cloud right there.
Which was directly inside.
Is that hail? Oh yeah, that's hail. Look at that hail. Look at that hail. Oh my God, there's hail. Oh, here we go with this hail. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hopefully, oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shoot. Oh my God. I'll give you all updates of this. Oh my freaking God. This is my first video. Freak. Holy shoot. Look at that hail. Look at that freaking hail. Look at that freaking hail. Oh my God. I cannot stand this. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Holy freaking shoot. Oh, totally crazy. Totally crazy. Totally freaking crazy. Oh my God. Look.